welcome to another episode of Hike a Bike. That's a weird thing to do. That is a marble-sized piece of hail. We just heard thunder. It was really loud and lasted a really long time. We should get going. I think I just felt a raindrop.
Oh no, it's coming early.
Okay.
All right, good morning everyone. It is day 5 of our GDMBR bikepacking adventure. And today is the first day where we're gonna have to be dealing with rain. There's forecasted rain most of the day, and tomorrow there's also supposed to be rain. So it's definitely feeling a little chilly. We literally just felt a raindrop as we turned the camera on. So that's what we're going to be contending with. If you guys watched the first series, you recall that Alex struggled majorly with the rain.
No.
He's going to try to be zen, and we'll see how it goes.
Literally just like a few seconds after we got done talking to you last, it started raining. So we just got on our hard shells now, and we're glad because it's definitely coming down. I'm gonna try and be chill. I'm not gonna fight it. It's okay. I'm going to accept the rain. It stopped raining, so we're taking off our layers again.
Whew, this is rough terrain.
Alright, we are about 30% of the way, 30% of the way up this big hill. Right off the bat today, we have about 1,600 feet to gain, more or less, in the first 5 miles. So it's quite an uphill battle. Oh. Going snail paced. Oh.
So honey, how long has it been and how many miles have we done?
We've gone 3.6 miles, and it's been about an hour 24. Because it's really steep.
Straight uphill. Is this it?
Yeah.
It took us way too long, guys.
2 hours.
2 hours, 5 miles. Whew. Listening to an audiobook to kind of multitask, learn a little, distract me while I go up some hills. It's actually really nice being able to do that. Right now I'm reading Made in China, about the hidden cost of Americans' cheap goods, some of the forced labor camps in China. Super interesting so far.
The weather is absolutely beautiful today. It is a little overcast, so it's keeping it nice and cool. And feeling a lot better now that we're going downhill so much, but we got a lot more gain left to do for the day. We made it up that 900 something feet.
Woo, sweet. So that means we're like
2,500 feet in. We're both definitely feeling a lot better today. I think being our 5th day, our legs are getting a little bit more accustomed to the riding, especially the uphill. So we're both feeling a lot better on the uphill. I think the big thing that we're still not getting used to is the heat. So it's kind of overcast right now. So every once in a while we'll have like a cloud that does us a favor and goes over the sun and gives us some nice shade for a little while. But when the sun is out, it is hot. And that just like, you can feel your energy just be cut in half when that happens. So hoping for some more cloud coverage and nice cool breeze, and maybe we'll be able to jump in a lake or river today again. I've done that almost every day since we've been on this trip. I think I missed one day, but it feels good. It's refreshing.
so good for like psychologically, if anything. Yeah. All right, guys, we just came across some iconic Canadian rocky views in front of us. It's been really nice out in this area. There has been less cars, but of the cars that have passed us, I think at least half of them have asked if we needed anything, water, or just given like a "you can do it" kind of encouragement. It's really awesome. Like, I don't know if today's been great with that. I don't think anyone's even blown through in this area.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah. Okay, stopped for a lunch break and it immediately started pouring. So.
Oh, the tortillas.
How are you feeling?
A few moments later.
What? This butterfly just loves Alex, guys. She keeps landing on him.
It's sunny now, maybe, but we can hear storms off in the distance there. So, I don't know. I guess it's just going to be variable weather all day. I guess it's to be expected in the Rockies.
Guys, the butterfly's on me now.
Oh, that was tiring.
Yeah.
So how did you feel about that hill we just went up?
It was not pleasant. It was very thick gravel, and we both just had to push our bikes, but it was so hard to just even push our bikes up. That sucked.
You just couldn't get traction.
Yeah, there's such thick gravel on here right now.
I'm beginning to remember one of the things that I said the last time we did the Great Divide, and something about no day is easy. There's always some kind of catch, and that's definitely been the case here today. We knew today would be hard because of all the elevation we were trying to do, but what made this even more challenging was this gravelly terrain. I mean, literally it looks like they've just put in like piles of fresh gravel on this road, and it just makes you feel like you have no control. Even when you're going on flat terrain, you're working way harder than it feels like you really should have to. We were just saying that it seems like it's taken until today to actually get away from the crowds. Yeah, we've seen a few cars here and there, but you know, compared to the first 4 days of this trip, it's really taken until today to get past all of that. So it's nice being out here where it's a little bit more secluded.
Woo, potty break.
All right, because we're responsible bike packers, we pack all of our trash in a plastic bag and carry it with us until we find a place to dump it, which is here. So we just dump it out, reuse the bag.
And our toilet paper we do as well.
Yeah, because no one wants to have a bunch of dirty garbage everywhere. Oh my goodness, that is a steep hill. Get to a low gear, quick. Shift down immediately. I have to say this section that we're passing through right now has definitely been the most beautiful section that we've been to so far. We're just going along this road, and on one side of us is hills and the other side of us is big valleys and the mountains in the distance. So beautiful.
This is honestly insane scenery, guys. Giant valley with stream and just Canadian Rockies all in the distance. A bunch of evergreens in front of us. Beautiful.
Alright, watch out for the horse crap.
Campsite finally.
Whoa. It's a cow. We just got to our campsite here at Elk Creek. It was a very, very long day. It's almost 9 right now. We went 42 miles and we had about 50 feet of elevation gain. So it was a really, really long day. Oh, yeah, rough terrain, the washboards and the gravel times, that was really tough. We got to get to bed soon though. We're gonna have to really make our getting ready for bed what's going on? Okay, sorry. Thought something was biting me. We're gonna have to make our whole nightly routine very efficient tonight. So let's get going. It is the start of day 6 of our GDMBR experience here in the northern section. We're just leaving our campground, Elk Creek Campground. We're getting a much later start than we wanted to get, and it's already starting to heat up. I hope that's not a problem. Still have a good close to 4,000 feet of elevation to gain today, and that's just hard to do back to back. So I'm hoping that our muscles have recovered and it's going to be just super easy for us, but I kind of doubt that based on how we're both feeling this morning. All right, approach with caution. Hi.
We just came across a bunch of horses. Woo! That's a baby horse. Oh, that one's showing us his teeth.
That's a weird thing to do.
Oh, they're hugging.
How's it going?
Doing okay. Audiobook is helping get through this.
Really hot today. It's been crazy hot today, so we decided to dip into this river a little bit. It's beautiful, but it is freezing cold, but it feels so refreshing. It's pretty shallow, so you can't really dive in all the way, so you kind of have to just go in, get your back a little bit, and then get your front. Woo. So cool.
What do you guys think? Will the storm hit us during our lunch once again?
A few moments later.
Okay, so we've been just sitting here having lunch, and all of a sudden we heard stuff dropping in and out of the water. We're like, is somebody throwing
Just
something?
very occasionally.
Yeah, that's an ice ball. That is a marble-sized piece of hail. Just, we're at the edge of the storm, and I'm sure that's where it's coming from. But seriously, look at how big that is. That's definitely the biggest piece of hail that I've ever seen.
Golly.
It's interesting just how in these 6 days of biking, how the landscape has changed. At first it was just like gravel roads and forest, and now we're seeing some really tall deciduous trees.
It's a big old world. So what did I miss? California girl, Oregon bliss. Alright.
Home for the night. Sounds great.
I am done. And for some reason there's not many mosquitoes here. Am I hallucinating?
No.
Or have they just not
Come yet?
tracked our scent? We got to our campsite for the night. It's really nice. It's by a river. Just a little bit further back, there was a really bad area with mosquitoes. I mean, they were so aggressive. I don't know if I've ever seen them that aggressive before. And we had to get out of there. So I'm glad we got away from that. So we're here. It's a really nice campsite. Oh man, that just scared the crap out of me. We really have to ration our food.
Is it punctured?
I don't know.